Hi. Hi, my name is David. I'm the lead consultant at One Marketing Idea. We are a social media experience marketing agency. And if you're watching this video, at least I have piqued your curiosity about our upcoming workshop. During this workshop, I will share with you a framework and provide you with 6 practical ideas, 6 processes that you absolutely have to get right to get the results you want from your Facebook marketing. There's a lot of stories out there about Facebook marketing and how it doesn't work. But the truth is that a lot of people out there don't have a system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 system. During the system, we will identify what is your absolutely most critical marketing objective. We'll start with that. We will also find out what is working for you. What does your online presence look like? Your landing pages, your website. How are you using your social media currently? How do we improve upon that? How do we tap into new audiences? How do we find people similar to your current clients or prospects that you can reach out of your network? We will also produce a hook, could be that a video or an image, a creative of the sorts that really attracts and entices people to click through or drive traffic to a particular site. And finally, we will put it all together. We'll measure, we'll A/B test. I will show you all that as well as creating retargeting campaigns. So that said, I really hope that you can read along on this page and subscribe and register for our upcoming workshop here in sunny San Diego, California. It doesn't hurt to come to the great weather out here in the West Coast. So I hope to see you soon. If you have any questions, just click the link below or fill out the form below, and I'll be more than happy to reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks. Take care.